And we are live. Ooh. Check, check, check. चलो आ तो रही है. Passing target 70% क्यों रखा है तूने? Why have you kept it 70%, brother? And we are live, by the way.
I don't know, man. It's AI shit.
You piece of shit.
Yeah, it's AI.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have completed the Learn OpenUSD modules completely end to end. And now, shut the fuck up, bro. Bro, why the your mic is very sensitive. I can hear everything in 10x volume.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we have completed the fucking modules for Learn OpenUSD by NVIDIA, and we have gone through a lot of code exercises as well. And we are pretty confident in our basics for OpenUSD now, so we are going to be starting mock tests
Mm-hmm.
and practice questions made by Aditya by with
Yeah.
Cloud Code. And let's see how we can, how we do on those. We have actually done a lot of questions
Yeah.
at this point.
Yes.
How many questions do you think we have done? We have almost done like 1,000 questions.
Android 1000 will be a very lot. I think I would go with
500.
no 200.
What? No, bro. There were at least 250 questions in that first Udemy test that
But
we
we did
completed.
not completed the whole test. We only
Bro,
completed
we completed one whole test and then we started the second test as
in
well.
that there was how many? I think 100 or 220 in the first one.
Yeah, there were 245 in the first one, and we did 100 or something in the second one, I think.
Mm-hmm.
And then we did 30 questions every day for the other one that we did using AI. And then we did some days we did the notebook LM test that we made. So I think all in all we did like around 500 to 600 questions.
Mm.
So let's see how we do today. All right. Question one. And why did you not fucking change this?
What?
Data modeling and then the
Oh,
fucking question on the
let
next
me
line.
let me do it.
Now what are you gonna do? It's a PDF.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it again.
Let's start with the questions first. On a two quad mesh with 6 points, two faces, face vertex indices of length 8, a prim bar's display color is authored, the interpolation uniform. How many color values must its array contain? int face vertex 4 comma 4, int face vertex indices 0 1 2 3 1 4 5 2. So I think 2. The answer will be C.
Hitler modeling on a two chord mesh.
Oh, it's uniform.
Two faces and vertex indices of length 8. A prim vars display color is authored with interpolation that is uniform. How many colors must its array contains colors, two vertex, and it's gonna be uniform. 6 points, two faces, face vertex. Where is authored with interpolation? Yeah. Why would have two and one value per face?
Yes.
How many colors value must its array contain? I think it should be one. I would go with D.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll mark yours in green and mine with
Yeah.
yellow. A composition asset. Wait. Composition, an asset is bought into set prop
A.
A via reference. Oh, sorry. An asset is bought into onto set prop A via the reference that sets color 1 comma 0 comma 0, a sublayer of the root layer author's direct opinion color 0 1 0. Whole set prop A, what color composes and what rule governs the result. Wait, what? Root dot USDA sublayers equals to local overrides dot USDA. And then def set A prepend references or like this. And then in the local overrides over prop A, uh, prop A asset dot USDA. Where is this file then? An asset bought onto set prop A via reference that sets color 1 comma 0 comma 0. A sublayer of the root layer author. Oh, 0 1 0. What color composes? I think it's gonna be 1 0 0. Holy shit.
You're saying go back up.
The reference is prepend, therefore the strongest because the reference asset opinions are evaluated before so local sublayers. Hmm. Yeah.
When an asset is brought into set prop via a reference that sets color 1 0 0, a sublayer of root layer that authors direct opinion. The color is 0 1 0. What color composes and what sublayer of root color? Okay, we have sublayer. Okay, override on 0. This is a prop color. Prepend.
I think it's gonna be this color that is getting referenced, which is 1 0 0.
Is it's 0 1 0. Okay, via set prop via reference that sets the color. Where are we setting the color?
No, that file is not shown to us. We're setting it over here.
Author direct opinion 010 on set prop A. What color composes and what role composes the result? Okay, and let's go down. Yeah, it's gonna be 100 for sure.
Mhm. But did they have given two options?
It's three or four. Okay, four. Okay, so we have because the reference deepened, therefore the strongest. No, one zero because the reference asset opinions are evaluated before something else. No.
What? No, this is gonna be the one. Because reference is prependent, therefore strongest. No,
What is it? What is it?
it's the wrong color. 010.
Causal opinion, local opinion. Yeah, it's a wrong color. So we will go with B and C. Uh,
Two options.
it says two or one. Oh, it says one only.
One.
And okay, then yeah, B makes sense. Content aggregation. Select.
C makes sense.
Oh, sorry. C. Yes.
Select two options. Okay. You reference one asset into two instanceable prims and one asset into two instanceable prims and must recolor an interior mesh on only one of them. But authoring inside the instance fails because instance subgraphs are read-only. Which approaches work? Set instanceable equal to false on that one prim to de-instance it and then author the color on interior mesh. Yes, that is the correct approach. Author color override directly on the instance proxy. That does not work of the interior mesh. Edit the color attribute on the shared prototype prim. Edit the color attribute. No, that does not work. Author variant set on the instanceable prim. Uh, on the instanceable prim, that selects a different color variant. Set invisible IDs. Invisible Ds. IDs on the interior mesh to swap out its material. I think A and D should be the answer.
A and D. Set instanceable equal to false on that one prime to de-instance it. Then author the color on the interior mesh. Set instanceable. Okay. Okay, so you reference one asset to into two instance and must recolor an interior mesh on your you. Okay, yeah, A is correct. And also the color directly over. No, this is not done. C edit color attribute. No. Over a variant set that affects. No. Yeah, D. A and D.
Bro, read the question. You fucking I read and answer the question and then you read the question and then you answer.
I know. A material author wants the same USD preview surface material to be easy to customizable to downstream artists and tweak it. Look without editing the shading graph, which practice best supports me.
It's the same as the surface material.
C and C and what?
What is the question? Material author wants the same USD preview surface material to be easily customizable so downstream artists can tweak its look without editing the shading graph. Which practice best suppose
A and C.
connect the surface output of material to USD preview shader so network is well formed.
Yeah.
Why is that correct? Connect the surface output of the material to USD preview shader so the network is well formed. Author a separate material for every possible color and roughness combination ahead of time. Oh, that does not sound right. Expose key shader inputs using diffuse color and roughness as overridable parameters on the material. Delete the material surface output to force renders. I don't know about this one, but yeah, ANC looked the most convincing.
Yeah.
Hardcode all shader input values inside the shader so they cannot be changed. No. Yeah, I'll also go with ANC, but I don't know what this is. It's just an educated guess. Why is it ANC?
Because there's an API that we use to connect output of a material to USD preview surface shader that I had read already, or that I had read somewhere. And the C because we can also use diffuse color and or roughness to change and to make the changes downstream, and that is a property that USD preview surface provides you with. So both of these options make sense. E doesn't make sense. D delete the material surface output to force. This also doesn't make sense because they are talking about customizing and author a separate layer for every possible color, and this is foolishness.
What?
A and C.
But why?
I don't know. Yeah,
You're just saying it just makes sense.
yes.
Expose key shader inputs. Okay, so what does connect the surface output of the material to USD preview surface shader? What does this mean?
Dude, this was written in the notebook when we read. So like I don't. So this means that your USD preview surface shader provides you with a output connection connector API that helps you to connect your material, like bind your material directly.
Okay.
Yeah, and the C is gonna be the key shader inputs and input diffuse color and roughness. These are the parameters that USD preview surface provides you whenever you're trying to diffuse or display color or define a shader across somewhere.
I see.
Like, but if you can also do a process of elimination as well. Like, do you think B makes sense? Do you think B?
I That's what I told. ANC makes the most sense because
That's
we
it,
don't
bro.
want a hard code.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it,
That's it.
bro. We are not doing the exam right now. We are trying to learn.
Yeah, so we are learning as well, right?
We are not learning. This is
Okay, how
Tukkebazi.
are you gonna learn that? Okay, just then go and take a look at answers directly. Then you will learn for sure, brother. Open the answer sheet next to it. Look at the
All
question.
right, next question. A USD Lux distant light is authored with only X form OP rotate XYZ equal to 45, comma O and no other transform. Before any transform is applied along with local axis, along which local axis does the light emit? A USD Lux distant light is authored with only X form OP rotate XYZ and no other transform. Before any transform is applied, along which local axis does light emit? Z. I think it should be Z, right? Yes, sir.
So it's gonna be
A.
default access.
It's a trick question. They've given the code for no reason,
Nice.
I think.
Data exchange. You are designing
Select.
how a proprietary file format integrates with USD. Which integration approach keeps the original source as the source of truth, or are the USD unique mechanism for doing so? A combination of above approaches. About
Your options are fucked up, bro. Combinations of our approaches. It's the first option.
Yeah, bro.
What
B.
the fuck?
Standalone converters implemented as script or microservices. Like meaning the state of the source file is no longer referenced file format plugins. Here the source file states the source of truth via usable via cat. DNE.
Why not B? B is also correct.
What?
Standalone converters implemented as scripts and or microservices. That's what we did in the.
Its integration approach keeps the original file, source file. That is the most important thing. How do you know that?
Yeah, it keeps it. Converter keeps it. That converter.py that we did. Or obj to usd.py.
File format plugins. So yeah, you go with B. I will go with DNE. You have two options to select. You can do BNE or BND.
File flattening the state so the source file is no longer referenced. No. File format plugins where source file stays the source of truth. Yeah, plugins is one of the answers and is usable via USD CAT. Well, so is usable via USD CAT. Mm, DCC importers, exporters that bake the source data into a static USD layer. Mm, I think A would be one of the answers, bro.
Mm-hmm. For sure.
Because your fucking AI has hallucinated over there.
Yes.
Combination of above approaches. Hmm. I'll do B and D,
Mm-hmm.
and you
Now,
wanna do E.
B.
Alright, customizing USD. Okay. A studio keeps authoritative geometry in a proprietary CAD format and wants USD layers to reference it directly.
Where bro, I will be back. Give me a minute.
Oh,
I'm back.
Yeah. A studio keeps authoritative geometry in proprietary CAD format, CAD format, and wants USD layers to reference it directly with no pre-export step. Which plugin fits? Which plugin type fits? Hmm. USD Studio keeps authoritative geometry in proprietary CAD format and wants USD layers to reference it correctly with no pre-export step. Which plugin type fits? An applied API schema that imports CAD attributes. An AI resolver plugin that rewrites the asset part to pre-exported file.
I think
No.
I would go with C.
SDF file format plugin that presents the foreign format as USD on demand. Scene index plugin that filters Hydra prims for the cylinder. Hmm. I see. Hmm. I see. Scene next. I don't know the answer to this one.
I also don't know, but I think I'm just going with the what how would we say option of elimination. Like A is already doing pre-export dot USD that the question doesn't want.
Hmm.
An applied API schema that imports CAD attributes. That can be an answer, but I don't know. Like that is really rare that OpenUSD has an applied API schema that imports CAD attributes. And then C can make sense because it's a SDF file format, scene description file, foundation plugin. That
Wait, why can't it have an applied API schema that imports CAD
I
attributes?
don't think so. Why I don't have an answer for that, but I don't think so. That's my only reasoning. Like that is really rare. We haven't read anywhere or at any point that an applied we had a third party applied API schema.
Mm-hmm.
We will have applied schema, but applied API schema, but only for the attributes that we are trying to use and all those things.
I'll go with B and you go with C.
Yeah.
Mm, okay. An OBJ stores one global vertex list with indices group per face. Okay. One global vertex list with indices group per face, but USD geom.mesh needs a flat vertex indices list recomposed via face vertex counts, iterating each face's index group, which pair of operations assemble both arrays. Which pair of operations Assemble both arrays.
Which external vertex index with face indices and append length of indices to face vertex count. A.
Extend face vertex indices with face indices. Append length indices to vertex counts. Hmm. You're saying A.
Yes.
Append the first index of each face to work face. Uh, hmm. Sublist is not possible. Okay, that is what makes sense over here actually.
Yes.
Oh, don't give me 2 minutes. I'm gonna go and wash my face.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Yeah, I'm back. No,
Yes.
your camera is blurred.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh. Next question. 9. A studio splits an asset into separate geometry and shading layers, combined in a layer stack into to model parallel user workstream. Which guidance is correct? Splitting workstreams prevents independent iteration. Prevents independent iteration. So artists must work serially. No. All workstreams must be merged into a single layer before publishing to avoid resolution cost. Avoid resolution cost? Layer stacks are not an asset or unique system. Each workstream should author only its unique contributions partially rather than override another's workstream work. Yeah, one is D. But all workstreams must be merged into a single layer before publishing. Procedurally or some I think C. Pending. Wait, I wanted to see how do we do versioning in this question has come again and again, but I have not seen the answers to this. Parameterization. All right, what's your answer?
a studio
I'm
splits
doing C
an
and D.
layer and in a layer to model parallel user workstream. And a layer stack to model parallel user workflows. Which guidance is correct? Hmm. Okay. B and avoid modeling workstreams that grow procedurally over time. Layers stacks are not an asset versioning system. Yes, C is also correct. And D is also correct. Should author, yeah, C and D. I will also go with C and D. B, I was going to be going with B, but C and D are more justifiable and makes more sense.
I'm starting a timer also. What?
Okay.
Should I put the timer on the screen like this?
Wow, bro.
59 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. Quick.
Data exchange,
A
freshly.
freshly extracted OBJ to USD stage has multiple meshes directly under the pseudo root and no default prim, so it cannot be referenced as one asset. Transform phase chaser fixes this. Pseudo and no default prim, it cannot be referenced as another pseudo. A transform phase chaser fixes this, which sequence produces a referenceable result. Flatten the stage to a single layer, which automatically creates a common ancestor and default prim. Apply a material binding API to pseudo root so the meshes share binding and become referenceable together. Define a new world X form, set it as the stage default prim, then reparent every existing root namespace prim under world using namespace editor. Yeah, I think C. Set default prim to first existing mesh, leaving the other meshes as siblings under the pseudo root. That does not sound right. I think it's either going to be B or C.
The multiple mesh directly under the pseudo root and no default prim, so it cannot be referenced as an asset. A transformed
Quick, bro, you cannot
figure.
invest more than 2 minutes per question.
This is test, bro. This is test.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This is test environment,
So still, I don't give a shit about today's test environment.
brother.
It cannot be referenced as one asset. Transformation fixes this.
Why do you always run?
Quench produces a referenceable result. Flatten the state which automated from no apply material binding API to pseudo root so the mesh shares a binding and become unreferenceable together. I will flag this question for later.
Yeah, do it. An identical pose change must be applied to every instance in one group at once while keeping instancing on authoring a single opinion. And what an identical pose change must be applied to every instance in one group at once while keeping instancing on and authoring a single opinion. The instances share an inherit or specializes arc to a class namespace which technique fits.
A.
Authoring the pose directly on the runtime prototype prim shown in USD view. Or you're gonna author a pose on runtime prototype.
Oh, yeah. Wait, authoring a post directly on runtime prototype.
De-instancing, no broadcast refinement, author one opinion on the inherited specialized namespace and let not be applied to all instances. Remember, authored
Yeah,
on
I'm
each
gonna go with
instance.
A. Yeah, runtime prototype.
I don't think it's A, but I'll mark your answer. Mm, Hierarchical refinement via a primware authored on each instance. What was hierarchical refinement over here?
There was nothing regarding. Oh, there was. Dude, you're cheating. Okay, first of all. So anyways doesn't count. If you go and do take a look.
Fuck you, bro. Fuck you.
Just
Okay.
pause that timer. Fucking
No,
pause.
I will not.
Fucking pause that timer, dude. Anyways, that's why I'm not counting this one. You're gonna go take a reference into the thing. It's not a
Okay, I won't. Okay, I won't.
not
I
an open
won't.
book quiz, bitch.
What?
It's not an open book quiz. Are you gonna do this in the exam as well?
All right, all right, all right. I'm not gonna cheat. Okay. I'll go with broadcast refinement. Data modeling. A translate text from OP has time samples at frames 1 and 24, no default value. What value does the OP resolve to when queried to 12? Okay. And 1 is 0 and 24. So it's gonna resolve to 24, 13, and
Data
C.
modeling, translate X form as sample from 1, 2, and 24, but no default value.
It's gonna be C.
11. But what was the question? You know about it? Yeah. What value does OP resolve when queried at time code 12? Oh, yeah, it's gonna be wait, 23. We do not have anything else regard apart from. Yeah, it's gonna be C. Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
A layer depends, prepends a reference in a weak sublayer and okay, a layer prepends a reference in a weak sublayer and appends a reference of the same type in a stronger sublayer onto the same prim. Which statement about list editing resolution are correct? List editing resolution, what the fuck is that? Over prop 145 append references stronger effects weak over prop 4145.
An appended arc is
Please.
placed at back of the resolved list and is therefore weaker than arcs prepended. It was placed on the back of resolved list. Wait, what the fuck? Appendant
The
prepend.
pre
Oh, okay. Appendant prepend. Okay, there was a thing like that. This also, I don't know about that. Okay, weak sublayer appends a reference of the same type in a stronger sublayer. Okay, so it's a stronger sublayer. The append arc is
the
placed.
append always wins over the prepend because it was authored in the stronger sublayer. The prepend arc in weaker layer is still stronger than any same type arc that is appended from stronger layers. Attributes participate in this same list editing. So attribute values can also prepend and appended.
What will be B? And B and an appended arc is placed at the back of the resolved list and is therefore weaker than arcs prepended from weaker layers. An appended arc is placed at the back of the resolved list.
What the fuck is an appended arc?
I also don't know, bro, but I think A and B will be our answers.
The append always wins over prepend. Oh shit, we didn't even see if there what's the difference between append and prepend.
Yeah, I also don't know, but I
I'm
think
gonna flag this question.
yeah, flag it. But I'm gonna go with A and B. Composition Y are friends authored in class. Specify
With
and
the class specifier neither rendered by a header nor visited by a default state traversal, even though they carry attribute opinions because class names are always deactivated. No attribute opinions to contribute because Hydra only renders frames whose path begin with underscore because class is an abstract specifier means meant to serve as a composition arc source, not a concrete scene content. D. Yes. What is your answer?
yeah, D. I already said D.
No. Okay, under USD per schema versioning, version 2 of the Spherelight schema is added. How is that version encoded and what is version 0 named? Version 2 is Spherelight.v2, Spherelight 2, version 2 is stored in separate schema version metadata num. And the type name says Spherelight for every version. Version is recorded only in pluginfo.json and never appears in the prim. Bro, what the fuck are these questions?
Hard questions, bro. I said to create hard questions.
Bro, there is a difference between hard questions and dumb as fuck questions. Like,
Customizing under user schema versioning. Version 2 of Spearlight schema is added. How is that version encoded? And what is the version 0 named? Dude, this is a question that that somebody did ask in the quiz in the videos.
I know you're talking about that question that girl was asking, right?
No, it was something else. Like somebody did ask in the Q&A. Version 2 is the Spear Light V2. Version 0 must be written explicitly as Spear Light underscore 0. First of all, there is no versioning. Uh,
I think C.
yeah, see, metadata.
Debugging and troubleshooting. Why does USD property get property stack require a time code argument and should its result be used? Why does USD property get property stack require a time code argument and how should its result be used? In the presence of value clips, a set of layer contributing to an attribute can change over time, so the stack may need recomputation per frame. It permanently bakes the composed value into the layer at the given time code. Okay.
Wait, in presence of value clips, the set of layers contributing to an attribute can change over time. So a stack may need to may need recomputation per frame. And B is it permanently bakes the composed value.
It only makes the composed value into the layers.
And
Oh, no, I think.
B, it should be B as well. It permanently bakes the composed value into the prem. No, what is it? What?
No, that is
Yeah,
contradicting the
correct.
question, bro.
That is contradicting definitely. The return property specs already include the offset you need to retrieve correct. It should be. It is faster than.
I
Wait.
think it's
No,
only A and D makes sense.
D doesn't. D is not correct. D is not correct. I would say. At a USD attribute, it is not faster than USD attribute query. USD attribute query is much faster, for sure. It cannot be. Wait. It's result should we use only with no.
E does not even make sense. I don't know what E is.
Dude, E. E. Property get property stack will only be used while debugging.
I know it's debugging, but wha- it does not answer why it requires time code argument.
So this quiz is not the perfect one, I would say.
Every day you say the same shit, bro.
What can I do, bro? I'm not a Cloud Code, neither the founder or creator of Cloud Code.
But you claim yourself to be godly with cloud code, right? So what's going on, bro? Like,
Mm.
why? What's the
Sometimes,
issue?
sometimes God also make mistake. That's why people die. Otherwise, no one would be dying in this perfect world, right?
Who makes mistakes?
God. That's why people die.
Shut the fuck.
That's
What
why
the
there has
fuck?
been so many disasters, world war. That was God.
What the fuck are you on, bro? Read question 17. When debugging why a composed prim or property has an unexpected value, which statement about the prim stack and property stack are correct?
Uh,
When debugging why a composed prim or property has an unexpected value, which statements about the prim stack or property stack are correct?
USD property set should only be used for debugging, not fuck.
Uh,
Lucas quiz is shitty as fuck. Fuck, I told him to make it hard, so it made it hard and retarded as fuck.
yeah, that's what I was saying to you over here, and you were saying it's hard.
Hard and it is retarded as fuck as well now.
That's what I was saying. It was dumb as fuck.
Get ordered list of prim spec across the
Brother,
prim stack and property stacks are recommended.
wait, let me do one thing.
Okay, wait. Let's first check the ones that we have already completed. Let's check the answers once.
Okay.
I need to check the answers at least.
Mhm. All right, brother. My jigger.
Jiggy.
All right. My answer is correct. Your answer is wrong, brother. For first one.
I think I will have three or four more incorrect.
Huh?
I will have more incorrect than you today.
Why is that, bro? Okay, C. Second answer is C, but we both are wrong.
Second answer is A over here. Why? It's A
What?
because local opinion and even
Bro, I think this is wrong. I think this might be wrong, bro.
wait, wait. It's not wrong. Okay, so I think okay. Let me ask him. Ask Cloud Code. Wait, so the thing is, I think what the question was saying was second thing is the override. That's what overriding. Oh, okay, dude. We misunderstood the question technically over here. So the first file root.usda is the base file, and the second file is the overridden file that's gonna override, and that converts it into a local reference. And we do not have anywhere a default room defined. I would say that's why maybe.
Bro, ever since I converted my HEIC to JPEG, this shit, it never gets uploaded to ChatGPT. I don't know why.
No.
What the fuck, bro? Like, what the actual fuck? 010. Yeah, you're right.
Because
What
so the thing is, root layer authors a direct opinion color on set what color composes.
which is the main an acid bottom wire of in that color?
What color composes and what rule
A
composes.
sublayer of the root layer.
So I think the question was regarding what will be the output for local opinion layer. This one, local override.usda. When you use over it, not the root.usda, and we both understood that it's going to be root.usda.
Local overrides.usda is a sublayer of the root layer. So its authored value is part of the local layer stack for the stage. Um, the referenced asset brings in the color 100, but the local sublayer authors directly local opinion on the same prim path 010. In USD composition strength, local opinions are stronger than referenced opinions. This is the L, but the referenced opinion over here should be local opinion as well, right? Or no? Because it's inside def.
But the question was supposed to be for the local override file, not the root file. That was the problem over here.
What local override file?
The second file.
The root file is root.usd only.
Second file.
Yeah, so
So local override.usda, that was the question. That was the file that they were asking for.
where where are they asking for that file?
An asset brought into set prop A via reference.
Bro, you're wrong. The
Why were we wrong then? And why
we
does
were wrong because the concept over here, like what it's saying is that local override.usda
oh yes,
when
yes,
referenced in the sublayer
yes.
is this the value will be considered as a local opinion. This value will be considered as a local opinion, and this value will be considered as a reference.
Yes.
But my doubt is why is this value considered as a reference if it's inside the def set over here?
Mm.
That's what my doubt was. But I
But
think
I
I
think
understand it.
sublayer supersedes. I think sublayer supersedes the local opinion at this point, right?
Yeah, now I know.
Yeah, sublayer.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay. Three answer is A and D. This was right. Content aggregation. You reference to insensible print recolor one of the subgraph read only. Okay, set insensible equal to false on that one prime to de-instance it. Then author the color on the interior mesh. Okay. Connect the surface output of the material to USD preview surface shader. Okay. Fourth is A and C. That is also correct. Fifth is A. That is correct. All right.
Six
Uh,
B and D.
yes, I am correct again.
Told you I will have a lot of wrong answers today.
DCC importers, exporters, that pay. Stand alone converter implemented as script or microservices. Oh, yes. File format plugins where source file stays the source of truth. Yes. Okay. Seventh, you are right. I'm wrong.
Was seventh. Yes. And applied, I thought so. Like, we would never have a CAD thing. CAD will always be a plugin. That's why. I guess.
Mm-hmm. Hmm. I need to understand this one actually. Mm-hmm. Bro,
Mm.
each and every fucking person in the MMA community and UFC
Mm.
is saying that Justin Gaethje is going to lose badly,
Oh my god.
like very badly.
My $75 salary complete loss.
Brother, have some faith on your boy.
Well, Lord have some mercy.
Have some faith on your boy, bro. I've watched fighting for a long time
Oh
now,
my god.
and I know for a fact this is the craziest sport.
I see.
One fighter has bet $1 million on Justin Gaethje.
My god.
You know how much he's gonna make if
4
he
million.
wins?
4 million.
Five, no, at least. I think he's gonna make.
Maybe 1 is to 4 or something like that, bro. 3.5 or 4.5.
He's gonna make 5.5 million. Oh, 4.5 million. Sorry, 4.5. If Justin Gaethje wins, that is, bro, it's insane. Let's see what's going on. Let's take a little break from OpenUSD.
Yeah.
Just cross the line. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. You don't have to respect a relationship, but respecting someone's mother should be one of the most basic codes in life. Be better. Proving my point, insufferable little bitch boy. Never said a thing about your wife. You want to speak words to my father, then act like I crossed some line. We already fighting, buddy. Oh shit.
Mhm.
Oh shit. It's gonna be crazy, bro. It's gonna be crazy.
Mhm.
Oh shit, bro. God damn. Look at this, bro. Do you know what's the backstory over here?
No.
So this guy Ilya,
Mm-hmm.
he basically had a divorce last year,
Mm-hmm.
and Justin Gaethje said in an interview that basically he would leave him too because he's an insufferable.
Mm-hmm.
He talks a lot about himself, so anybody would leave him. That's what Justin said.
Mm.
And then now it Justin crossed the line. The beef is has gotten real. Hell yeah. Let me, bro. I think I should link my uh tweet over here. You know, let it get some. Oh, there are 2 likes on my tweet. Yes. Let me share this tweet somewhere. Yes. One 47 views and one repost. Somebody reposted my tweet.
Wow.
I don't know who that is though. Shit's getting crazy, bro. Oh my god, I cannot wait for fucking relax mode. Press conference gonna be lit.
Nice.
Gonna be straight up fireworks. Let's see. Do you personally like Ilya Topuria? Yes, he's my favorite fighter. You should have kept your father out of this. He was the one calling me a short guy and saying you'd smash me all while holding a beer in his hand. Then you started talking about my divorce and telling the world you wouldn't want to be my roommate. Idiot. First, we are fighting, not dating. Second, I'm not looking for a roommate. When I put you to sleep and you're lying there next to the rose, I'll look at your father and ask him one simple question: who's short one now? I'm gonna break you, Justin. Oh my god. Holy shit, bro. Holy fucking shit. Okay, I think that's enough.
Mm-hmm.
Ilya Topuria. What? Mr. Anshul Kuncha, an Indian national in Philadelphia. Oh my god, bro.
Was a person that got shot. He went to deliver pizza and got a bullet instead in his head. And I think it was a targeted, like it was somebody was really targeting that person. So people say that he was walking, or the sorry, the police reporters or investigators, whatever, they were saying that
Hmm.
he was walking down to the place, and two people were following him and shot him in the head. Bam.
My god. People are booing Donald Trump at MSG today.
What?
Bro, that I'm so lucky my gym is on 23rd because like the streets were closed after 23rd.
Mm-hmm.
So I could go to the gym and come back. But if it would have been like even one more block, I would have missed gym today.
Why were street closed?
Because there's this game, right? Knicks versus
Oh,
it's in MSG today. New
oh.
York Knicks versus oh shit, they're gonna lose. Holy shit.
How? Okay, this is Q4. 9 seconds left,
Yeah, they're
and
about to lose.
you can make still make a 3 pointer, right?
Yeah, you can also make 2 point, 3 point, whatever,
Well, let's wait 9 seconds then. Or is it 9 seconds or 9 minute?
in 9 seconds. But the thing is, they do like timeouts and everything, so the game
Oh,
pauses.
okay, 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 okay. What? Let's look at the prediction markets.
I don't think they're gonna take any more bets now because it's so late in the game.
No, but I still want to take what are the bets are they gonna do they have right now? What are the odds that they have right now? I'm not gonna bet, but I'm looking for the odds. Uh, spending. Where is it?
Oh yeah, there are bets on New York Knicks right now. Let me put $2
Dude, what the fuck? Where can I?
in prediction market.
Dude, I still don't know how to use this fucking app for this. What the fuck? Oh, I think it might be down below. Yes.
6 seconds left.
Did you put a bet already?
Yeah, I did. If New York Knicks win, I make $20.
Oh,
Oh
but
no, they're not gonna win. Spurs made another basket.
yet. Oh yeah, the odds just changed. So if they win,
Yeah. They
oh,
can still make a 3 pointer now. And it can go
the odds are drawn down to 4% now, and it's 4-7.
three
Yeah,
three 4%, yeah.
yes, it's four is to what? If you bet four.
96.
Oh, 77 is the payout. Fuck. If you pay four, it's gonna 96 is the payout. Yes. So it's changing. That's fine. I'm not gonna bet. I don't want to lose money.
Oh, they made another free throw.
Yeah, that's why.
Now I don't think they're gonna win.
What if they wins, brother? Whoever.
Now it's 2%. Now the chances are 2%.
Dude, what the hell is New York Knicks doing?
Bro, they fucking lost at their home game. What the fuck is wrong with them? They were saying Knicks and four. Knicks are not gonna win in four, buddy.
So how much did you bet? $2.
Not even $2. I think 20 cents.
And 6 seconds still. What if they make a 3 pointer now and it goes to 114? Fuck, do it, guys. Take the risk. Take the motherfucking risk.
Bro, why is it not refreshing? What's going on? It's still timeout, bro. What the fuck are they doing?
Mhm.
Even if they make a 3 pointer, they'll need another point, bro, to win. It's very impossible now.
Uh,
It's impossible to win this one now. 4 seconds left. Two.
Dude, anyways, they have lost.
The thing is, if they
Brad,
make
it's over.
somebody fouls them.
What?
If they make a 3 pointer and somebody foul, yes, end of.
What is the end of Brad?
Yeah, I don't know what that is, but I think that means the game is ended.
Yeah.
Bro, they fucking scored. Wow. Yeah, they lost, bro. One fighter has much higher chance of landing in.
Mm-hmm.
Damn. All right, bro. Let's get back to it. Okay. Seventh was C.
What
Oh
do you?
yeah, you were right.
Yeah, that was already over. Eight.
Uh, it is A. That is right.
CD.
What was
Yeah,
this?
ninth is CD.
Yes, C and D.
Mhm.
Oh wait, we were looking at this.
Yeah.
That answer is not correct for this question. Why? Bruh.
Which question?
This one that you're correct.
What?
You're designing how proprietary. No,
Oh,
not this one. Sorry.
give the source. Give the source.
No, no, this one. It's this one. You're designing how proprietary file format integrates with USD. Which integration approaches
You
keep the
have the
original
source,
source
you
file?
have source as well over there, like the link from where the question was created. Which page was the question reference to?
Data exchange.
Yes.
DCC importers, exporters that bake. Oh, wait. BND. Oh, wait. Sorry. I missed it. The. Okay. Hmm. I mean, the quiz is not that bad, but I don't know. The right plugin type is an SDF file format, USD file format plugin.
Wait, where are we?
I'm just trying to see like, what's the explanation for this answer. A studio keeps authoritative geometry in proprietary CAD format and wants USD layers to reference it directly with no pre-export step, which plugin type fits. The right plugin type is SDF file form. First of all, we have not done any plugin type formatting.
What?
What is a plugin? Where did we read about plugins?
We did read it, dude. We did read it.
Where?
It's in the data exchange only. It's in the data exchange only, I guess. Or file format. Which one are we talking about? Seven.
Seventh.
Yeah, open this formats.html. Where is
Bro,
that?
it's
Open this one here.
Oh, it's in setting the stage, first one.
Hmm.
But uh, where is the SDF file format and
Search it.
plugin
Search it. Do command F. Do command F. SDF file format.
plugin?
Yeah, over here, it talks about plugins.
Any other 3D file format can be loaded into OpenUSD stages through plugins. It's worth noting that data provider can implement file format plugins into to natively speak USD even. But what? What about that? There is no information about this. A
Is
studio keeps
go up,
author blah 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 reference with no pre-export step. Which
go up,
plugin type
go up,
fits? Where are plugin types?
go up. Like look at the notes, keynotes maybe in the keynotes. There's a note.
Keynotes?
Yeah, over here. Yes, the notes. We have the notes right over here. Yeah, the file format lesson chosen and progressing skills. No, I don't know, man. SDF file format plugin that presents foreign must. Let me ask you. Okay, where does the question seventh option comes from? It's not in the reference
And how did you fucking know the answer then?
because I went with the option of elimination. Like, why would we be first of all? That's what I'm saying. Why would we
But
be?
why would it be C then? Why did you choose
Because
C?
SDF file format is a thing that I read. I went through the OpenUSD glossary as well, brother. I went through the plug. I went through the OpenUSD glossary and as well as the
My ass.
OpenUSD.org one as well.
Let's see
It's
what's
over
in the
there.
gloss.
It's over there in glossary.
Let's do glossary today then.
Glossary has a lot of things. Do you want to do interactive glossary or what?
Active and inactive. Hmm. Yeah, I think we should do this. It's not that big. Oh, wait, I know what we need to do with this. Here. Ah, it's notebook LM. Efficiency and instancing, time animation, core scene structures, stage, prim, property, namespace, metadata, property, attribute relationship, property specs, property stack, attribute block, variability, connection, stage traversal, pseudo root, change processing, specifiers, active, inactive, prim spec, prim stack. Okay. What is change processing?
I don't know. Stage change processing.
Is a mechanism by which stage automatically updates itself wherever any of its contributing layers are edited in OpenUSD. A stage represented a fully composed scene graph. A stage represents a fully composed scene graph, meaning it combines multiple layers in the scene graph elements to present a final composed view of the final scene. Description: stage is responsible for managing prim composition, value resolution, and processing. Prim composition, value resolution, and change processing, because a stage is built by composing all the referenced and layered files specified by root layer. It must rely on change processing to dynamically maintain the accuracy of the composed view while you work. When an edit occurs in the layer, the stage responds immediately by reindexing the affected prims and the same thread. Composition actively blah blah blah. Open on the or when prims are loaded and unloaded, but specifically wherever these contributing layers are edited. This reindexing process means the stage might add, remove, or modify prims as needed to ensure the composed view remains accurate and up to date. But what is change processing then?
What is change processing? That is still missing. What the fuck did you ask him, bro?
I just clicked on change processing. Discuss what
Okay,
these sources say about change processing in the larger context of stage.
dude, it says right over there. Is
Is
that
the mechanism by which stage updates
it's not
automatically or
it's something that OpenUSD stage automatically does, brother. It's not something
okay.
that you do. So whenever you edit or something or
Mm-hmm.
do render something while you are rendering, you are changing something. The stage will automatically pick it up. That's what
Attribute relationship. I think I want to take a deeper look at relationship.
relationships or connection links. I see. That's the only thing I know as of now.
Relationships are what I don't have.
Connection links.
Connection between prims acting as pointers between or links between objects in the scene hierarchy. Relationship allows the prim to target or refer to other prim. How does it work? Relationship store path values at the point working with Python.
Python.
What does it look like? Oh, group custom rel member. Yes, I remember this now. Hmm. But it feels like it has been so long since we read this part.
Oh yeah, that's fine. But I think we should focus on like maybe what then. I'm confused.
No, no, we should do the quiz only.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, we should like. I think we should do the glossary in depth. Oh, yeah, wait. I asked it to create. First of all, I asked it to create this mental map using that glossary because this will cover everything.
Mm.
So we know what topic we need to do more in detail. So that was core scene structure, then composition arcs. I think composition we have spent a lot of time on composition arcs.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that is pretty solid now. But
I
we did mess up that question today.
Which one?
That one.
Dude, I think
The
it's on my quiz, dude. I won't blame it on us or on you because my quiz. I think I'm trying to verify why did that because
the
that.
answer is right, bro. The answer is right. ChatGPT also confirmed it. The only thing that I was confused about was that sublayer, like the reference when it is inside the def, is still a reference and it's not a local opinion.
No,
I thought it.
not that one, but the other one, SDF file format one. Like, how did it figure
Oh
out?
yeah, data value and value resolution, fallback, list editing. List editing. Yes, I want to see what list editing is. List editing. Yeah. System for sparsely combining a system for sparsely combining ordered lists from multiple layers using operators like prepend, append, delete, and reset to explicit. Prepend, append, delete, and reset to explicit. What does that mean?
List system for sparsely combining ordered list from multiple layers using operation like prepend, append, delete, and reset. Dude, these are like
USD Pro
really. Oh, no, no. Oh, we have the other thing, right? Let's not do glossary, dude. We have the other thing. Wait. Uh,
survival guide.
yes, yes. We should do that. We should do that. That survival guide would be much more valuable than us going through the glossary right now. I think the survival guide will have.
That we'll start from tomorrow, but today we'll do this like a little bit. We'll sharpen our sword a little bit. But I need to look for where that USD survival guide is. I don't know. I need to close the USD frequently asked questions. GLF module, USD shade network, bars, maximizing USD jump schema. Mm, here it is. Survival guide. Build the guide locally.
Build it. Build it. Build it.
But why, bro? It's already here. I don't want to fucking.
Build it.
All right, this is the survival guide. Let's start reading at least one section today. Or do you wanna let's do this later?
Mm-hmm.
First, let's finish this. First, let's finish the fucking answer validation
Yeah.
that we have done.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we did. Oh no, this is not the one. This. Mhm. Too much stuff, you know. We're focusing on too much, thinning out. Okay, eighth is correct. A. Ninth C and D is correct. 10th C is correct. 11th B. My answer is correct. Again. 11th. You answered A, I answered B.
Nice. Dude, he cheated on this one. So fuck you.
I didn't cheat on this one. I didn't
You
cheat on.
went,
Wait, wait,
you went over
wait,
there.
wait,
You went
wait,
over there
wait.
and look, did
I went and
calculate.
wait. I looked at fucking hierarchical refinement and I was like, okay, I will not cheat. I just opened it and then I closed it. I fucking did not cheat over there.
Okay, you.
Fuck you.
Okay, fine. Okay, next one.
But I do need to understand how this one works. So I will. Okay, 12th answer is C. Correct. 13th, you answered A and B. Answer is A and C. 13th is wrong.
We answered A
This,
and
yeah,
C,
we flagged this one.
right? So it was A and C. So we because we were confused with append and prepend. This is in the glossary. Yeah, this is what
Hmm.
is in glossary that we need to understand.
Oh, yeah, this is no glossary. Fuck. Beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, wanna beat it. Just be there. 14th answer is D is correct. 15th is C. Oh, 15th is also wrong.
15th is what?
Version 2. Answer is B. Version 2 is identifiers. Fairlight 2. Version 0 is plain Fairlight with no suffix. Fairlight 0 is not allowed.
ChatGPT ones. I just need to make sure that because this is directly from openusd.org. I see.
Mhm. Are the questions gonna be from everything or just Learn OpenUSD?
Let's go to. I think it's gonna be if the person and everyone in Discord is suggesting us that we have to go through the survival guide, and if the survival guide covers that, then definitely.
Survival guide is very short, and most of the people in the Discord are telling me to go through those videos.
Those videos, right? I know.
Those
So what I'm thinking is, I will ask, or we can do what we can do is maybe get a transcript of the whole video and just give it
That's
to.
what I was trying to do with that repo, mark it down,
Oh, then
but it didn't work. Oh, 16th is correct. 17th is correct. Oh, but we didn't answer because, yeah, there are like two cuts on my eye. I don't know why, bro. What the fuck? They hurt like a bitch.
I see. Dude, SpaceX is on another level. They're sending data centers directly up in the sky with their AI one satellite. Fuck.
What?
Yeah, bro. So
What
every
are they sending?
they are sending AI satellites into the space directly. So they are loading up the satellites with data centers and then sending up it in the space and where they will basically harness the power of sun and give you
Yeah.
infinite compute
Mm-hmm.
accordingly using the using solar energy. So with
Damn.
the Starship launching every hour, that's about an
Mm-hmm.
entire Colossus 2 data center every 28 hours.
My fucking god.
Elon Musk,
What is it called?
AI one satellite, AI one.
Satellite. Oh, AI one satellite, the first generation of
AI
its.
one is,
Yeah.
I guess it's AI one. Is it AI one? Yeah, it's AI one.
Holy fuck. Why does fucking poly market, bro? I fucking hate this poly market bullshit. On everything they are fucking doing gambling, bro.
Yeah, bro. Because
Every fucking thing.
they are the freaking casinos. Dude, you know my DoorDash guy messed up today.
Yeah.
He was supposed to deliver one order. He delivered two. And by the
Mm-hmm.
time I went there, I think he might have figured out that okay, I think one order is missing. So he
Mm-hmm.
fucking picked up the wrong order.
Mm-hmm.
And then I was left with bunch of chicken wings and 4 bags of French fries that I had to throw away because that was not my plan to eat fucking French fries.
Damn.
Fuck. Then I got the refund.
Cheat meal.
No, but I got the refund. And yeah, I did through them.
Mm,
I
I
did.
see. All right. Let's do a little bit of flashcards. What is the non-destructive effect of setting a prim's active metadata to false?
What is the non-destructive effect of setting prim's active metadata to false? Uh,
So
like,
non-destructive.
wait, what is this question?
Bro, they are the in glossary, like whatever is it's there in the glossary, it has made flashcards out of it.
The effect of setting active metadata to false. Nothing. The metadata gets abstracted. The profiles gets abstracted from the developer. I would say. Apart from it, metadata doesn't play any role. Uh,
So inactive.
yes, inactive or abstract.
The prim and its descendants are pruned from compose stage view and excluded from traversals.
Damn, this was the technical answer.
Hmm.
Okay. In USD,
In USD, what two data types allow attributes to
time
store
code and
time
time
varying
sample.
data?
Time code and time sample.
Animation splins.
Ooh, again wrong. Time
Time
sample.
samples,
And
discrete
animations
pair, and
and animation splints. Oh, time samples. So I was partially correct. Fuck. Animation splints.
what are animation splins exactly?
I don't know. But yeah, I did read it somewhere. Anime splints at least. Yeah. We can directly ask Perplexity right over there.
Bro, where is control F? I can't see it. Oh,
Command F it should be, not Control F. It should be Command F.
yeah, command F, my bad.
An animated value that changes over time rather than having a single fixed value. Wait, time samples or animated splints? What the fuck? So is time samples and animated splints same?
Example, time splins or animation
So the
splins.
only answer could be time sample or animated splint. So because it's or over here, so how can it say that too?
Bro, or are you fucking dumb, bro? What the fuck? You don't know English or what?
What does or mean?
Example, time
No,
samples
take
or
a
animation
second line.
splins.
Take a look at the fucking second line.
Attributes can store varying data using time samples or animation what?
Wait, I think or wait, what does or means?
Or
I think what or
like
means
it
or.
can store time varying data using either time samples or animation splints.
Oh,
It's not the same thing. I
oh,
fucking dumb, bro. What the fuck?
wow. I went with computer science or it's or either that or this.
What are animation splints? We
It's
have
gonna
not read
say the
this.
same thing. It's gonna say the same thing that is written over here. I
No, it's not the same thing.
change over the time. Natural ball.
Maybe it,
Fuck.
what?
One of the research page that it was researching was said natural born killers or splices. You wrote splices, fucker, not splints. You wrote
Oh my god.
I was looking for natural born killers, dude.
Spleens or splines? Diddy Booty Jackson.
Animated splines. Wow, using continuous mathematical curves rather than discrete time samples.
Animation splines in OpenUSD are a method for representing time-varying attribute values using continuous mathematical curves rather than discrete time samples. They provide advanced shaping and timing controls that closely mirrors the native curve representation used in professional 3D tools like Autodesk Maya. I see. Bro, this
What happened?
a kid on like a mom was pranking her child, like her kid, that the CEO of Roblox died and all the games of Roblox are gonna be shut down.
Mhm.
And the kid started crashing out. Roblox. Ah!
Oh, the new Apple, no, the new Siri runs on Google's Gemini. Oh,
What the fuck?
damn. Yeah, bro. Apple quit the AI race. iOS 27 supports the iPhone 11 bullshit thing. 80% Siri can now read your screen. Oh, your data is fucked. Apple added kid accounts. Fuck you. Oh, what is how much? Okay, Apple is at 301 trade in. What month is it? Bro, Apple is just surviving.
Apple does not fucking need to be in the AI race.
Apple needs to be in the AI race. You know why? Because one of the major selling point of Apple was privacy, and now Apple is giving it out to third party models that are going to run on their servers or something like that. And Google is not so profound for privacy.
Bro,
Mhm.
you know what I was looking at today? Wait.
What
Apple
privacy? American pronunciation.
privacy. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, right.
Privacy.
Privacy.
Vision OS. This requires OpenUSD, bro. Apple Vision OS. Bro, I want to buy that fucking
Why
Apple
would
Vision.
you spend your freaking money?
If I win the gamble.
Oh, so if you win the gamble, you're gonna make 4 grand. I thought you were gonna get the DJ Spark.
Yeah, that's true.
You can get
So
DJ
many things to
Spark.
buy. So many things to buy.
Spark would be literally a concrete box on your desk, and definitely it would make you work hard. That okay, you have
Yeah.
spent 4 grand on. Yeah, bro. I could have bought a DJ Spark as well. Fuck, but that would be 4 grand. Nah, it would be way too much.
Built for Vision OS. Spatial computing. This is some Tony Stark shit, bro.
Yeah, bro. But with Apple's OS, I think it's still buggy. People say that. I don't know.
But bro, what the fuck are you gonna do? Like, it's so fucking
Get it
legendary.
right now. Get it on EMIs, motherfucker. Apple Card, where you have Apple Card, right? Buy it. Monthly installment.
Documentation. What is this shit then?
It's for people that want people who wants to build Apple apps, iOS apps. So they have a Apple developer kit documentation.
But this is. But where do I start? Like, where do we start from? Oh, Vision OS. Bro, look at this.
Yeah. DM. But what is the weight, dude? What is the weight of that freaking thing? That's also really important.
The headset.
Yeah, what is the weight of that?
600 to 800 grams. I mean, it's not that bad.
Uh,
750 to 800 grams for the
Dude,
new
it's
one.
bad. Dude, a kilo. Fuck you. Fuck you, bro. Oh yeah, for sure.
You, your phone weighs like
Dude,
what?
but I'm not holding my phone on my head. I'm not keeping like this. That is the thing. That is the thing. I'm not against it. I'm not against you getting it. But I'm just saying that it's gonna be really heavy and it's not good for long term. Like you sitting on a laptop for 4 hours and you sitting with the Apple Vision Pro. Wait, that you won't be able to sit. You will be able to lay down
Yeah.
and then do your work. And in that scenario as well, if you maybe like you cannot tilt or do something else because it's
My
gonna
neck is very strong, bro.
okay.
I can do it.
When are you get it, brother? Get it. Then we will do our stream from that. Yeah, get it.
You need to gift it, bro. Gift it to
But
me.
I'm not even gifting myself a BMW battery, and you want me to gift it to you? Fuck you.
Hello, world. But is this worth exploring right now? Like, should we look into this or not?
Later on, brother, one at a time. One at a time. This is a complete different thing. Like they have their own. So we are using right now Python, right? Apple is a motherfucking bitch. So they have created their own wrapper layer for doing the same things. That is
Hmm.
Apple development kit, and they are using Swift. So we are pretty thorough in Python. That's why we're able to understand. To understand that, we have to first learn Swift, right? Swift is more similar to C++ or C sharp, and then we will be able to work with the watchOS fluently.
All right. In USD, what two data types allow attribute to store time varying data? It's animation splines and the fucking time sample.
Time freaking samples.
I still don't understand what this is exactly.
Mathematical curve. Just open the openusd.org thing. You will find it. They have a they have a what we call a graph.
Animated value.
Yeah. Would you open it?
Yeah, this is radius spline or whatever.
Go up.
Animation block. They don't have spline anywhere.
Do Command F.
They don't have it, bro. I saw the
They
fucking
have spline over there. I just saw it. Just search spline. You will get it. It's only a spline. Just do spline. You are doing both. There we go.
oh, it's just spline.
Yeah. Yeah. This is what I was talking. Go down.
The spline provides a curve that defines a scalar value that varies over time. The spline is primarily defined by its collective nodes mathematically. A spline is a piecewise curve made up of nodes and curve segments between them. Each node has a time and value. Okay. What is this?
This is a curve, like based
Wow.
on.
Fucking, I didn't even know that.
Yeah, bro. You wanted a visual representation, right? So there you go.
I think I need to understand with why am I not able to quit this? What the fuck? Okay. Chat GPT time. Let's look at the next one now.
Yes.
How do API schemas differ from ISA schemas regarding a prim's identity? API
API schemas are
schemas
not.
are
Is a schema are typed schemas? API schemas are not typed schemas.
abstract schemas.
API schemas are abstract schemas as well.
Yeah.
Or is a type schema is abstract schema?
No, API schemas are abstract.
Well, you usually use for
ISA schema is a typed schema which is defined every time a prim is defined
yes, and API schemas are custom APIs that you can define for
using Bloop.
for common purposes. I would say
ISA schema defines what a prim fundamentally is, while API schemas define what capabilities or behaviors the prim has.
what
You
capabilities.
need to be precise, you know? You
Uh,
fucking need to be precise.
these are these.
So ISA schema defines what a prim fundamentally is. Like def X form world. So world is an X form. All right. We didn't get this one either. What is the primary function of an assembly in USD model hierarchy?
It is the
A type of
it is a model.
specif
It's not a specifier. It's a model metadata.
model kind. Yeah,
Model
yeah, yeah.
kind of metadata that specifies where you will have all your scenes assembled, or all your files, all your scenes and references and other prims assembled in
I
from
see.
multiple asset files.
Mm-hmm.
It is a
It is
public
a published asset
that
that groups multiple models together into a meaningful collection.
that is the
So,
precise
what is the difference between scopes and assembly?
scopes are groups. You are grouping. You are not assembling. You can just group them.
What the fuck? Bro, why do you fucking say such stupid like words
Oh,
and
that's
just
what it that's what it says over there. Look,
scope?
scope
Scope
definition of
also
scope.
groups.
Yeah, scopes are called groups. That's what the definition says over there in the OpenUSD. Scopes are meant to.
But what is the difference between scope and assembly?
You have Gemini. I don't know. I think assembly
Yeah,
is where you
say
take
that
something.
you don't know. Don't fucking start some bullshit.
I will always try to answer at my best. Never say I don't know. That is one rule I have learned. I might be partially correct. I won't be completely incorrect though. It is a published asset that groups multiple models. I think groups, wait, scopes, right? Scopes won't be an asset, first of all, I guess. What are you doing?
I'm just trying to find the fucking thing. You're trying to see, right? What's the difference between scopes and assembly?
Yes.
What happened?
I thought you were doing.
You're useless, bro.
Yeah, bro. I love it. When will my Spark come, brother? DGX Spark. I'm just getting DGX Spark. Dude, you know you can invest in OpenAI before IPO
Where?
with Robinhood Ventures.
Really?
Yeah, Robinhood has. Wait, I will show you. There's a Robinhood Ventures fund, and they have allocated 50% of the fund to OpenAI. That they are saying. See, this is the fund. Robinhood Ventures Fund, and you can invest in Databricks. They have Databricks, they have Revolt, they have Mercor, Air Airwallex, Boom Supersonic.
Where is that? What do I search?
Search Robinhood Ventures Fund.
I
You
searched it. It's not coming.
RBI, search RBI.
RBI India.
R
RBB.
No, no, V for Valorant.
RBIL.
RVI, just RVI.
Acha, RVI.
Yeah, your Stripe,
Oh yeah,
have
Robinhood Ventures Fund One.
Boom Supersonic, and there
Ramp 11 Labs,
And
Stripe,
the new,
Cash.
and the new investment will be OpenAI. That will be allocated next quarter. And they have reserved 50% cash for that specifically if you take a look over there.
Do a lot of people know about this?
I don't know, bro. A lot of people, I was just searching and this thing popped up. I was looking for something else and this thing popped up on Robinhood. So I just invested like 50 bucks.
So you bought one share.
Yeah, for namesake. But I'm going to do recurring on this 50.
Yeah, this is worth buying more, I guess.
Yeah, like slowly, not aggressively.
Why? This is aggressively buying thing, I
Yeah, but
think.
do aggressive. Always gonna do recurring because I'm already in a lot like CLSK. I bought 100 CLSK today because CLSK is gonna soon announce a deal. Like even if you put your data centers in the sky, the latency is really high as compared to using it on a ground line. Fiber is always
Hmm.
gonna be faster than satellite.
Should I sell my grab positions, bro?
Dude, it's on you, dude. It's on you. Like markets require patience. So you can sell it. You can do. It's on you. I won't suggest because I'm holding on to it right now. There were sometimes some stocks takes a bit of time because Grab is really good and fundamentals. You can buy Uber as well.
Bro, I want to consolidate my portfolio now. I don't want to keep adding companies.
So yeah, then sell it. You have to like you can either make your portfolio super AI focused because like in markets money rotates. Right now market is valuing AI only. So that's why you are seeing all AI on all that shit.
Hmm.
That's the thing.
All time. I want a 100K portfolio, bro. Soon.
Takes time, bro. Takes time.
It
Like for
didn't take time for brother Tiger, bro.
what?
It didn't take time for our brother Tiger.
Dude, it's all about your luck. Sometimes, like if you would have invested in Rocket Lab maybe a year ago, and you would have
Hmm.
bought like same amount of shares as Grab, then you would
Mm.
have made, I think, maybe 300 into what 1200, right? At least 11 grand, at least 11 grand out of it. Because
Nice, bro.
Rocket Lab was trading at $4 a year ago.
Damn. All right. So How long has the stream been going on? 2:30. I think we can end the stream now.
Dude, it's 12:34, not 2:30.
No, I was looking at the time.
Oh, let's
It's
do
2 hours 30.
let's do one or two more and then we can end the stream. Let's do one or more. What is the primary function of an assembly in the USD
We
model?
already did this.
What is
What is it? It's published as it grows multiple models together into meaningful collection.
best
Yeah, but wait, we were trying to understand what's the difference between scope and assembly, right?
yes.
So over here it says in
What
OpenUSD, assembly and scope are different concepts. Assembly, what the prim means in the asset model hierarchy, and what type of prim it is in the scene graph. So concept, scope, a prim type or a schema. So a scope is a prim type and
it's a metadata.
uh,
So
metal value.
scope is a schema.
Model kind.
Assembly is the metadata. Main purpose
Yeah,
of the folder or organizing prims. Can transform marks as prim as a high level asset made of other models. Depends on the prim type. Scope.
simple example.
Yes.
Scope, def scope, geometry, mesh, body, def mesh, wheels. Geometry is just a folder that holds body and wheels. It does not mean geometry as an asset, it's just an organization. Okay, so def scope geometry. Okay. It's just an organization. And then def xform car kind assembly. Def xform body kind equal to component. So here the car is important high level model made from the smaller asset models like body and wheels. Oh, now I get it.
Mm-hmm.
So this is car is made up of assembly by body and wheels.
Mm,
Here car is an X form prim, but it has kind equal to assembly. So its type is X form.
yes.
So type is X form, but its asset meaning is assembly. The clean mental model. Assembly full backpack containing multiple important folders, component one finished item inside like textbook or lunchbox. Scope is just a container. So world geometry, world material, world lights. What? An assembly is meaningful asset group. World city, world car, world robot, world building. Oh. So you could technically have def scope car assembly. Ah, I see. Got it. Def X form car kind assembly. But this is usually not ideal if you need to move, rotate, or scale a car because scope is not transformable. For a real asset assembly, you usually use XForm. So def XForm car kind equal to assembly, yes. Asset and can be transformable. Let's dive a little deeper in XForm and transformations and their usage in OpenUSD. Explain in very simple terms the implementation and practical gotchas. All right, we can do the next one now. I'm just gonna do that for myself. Okay. In USD text format, what symbol is used as delimiter for asset specialized string types?
Ooh, this is an interesting one.
Delimiter?
Specialized string types. I don't know, bro. Like, eh, used to as a delimiter, like to break it, basically, to break your syntax. Syntax. So in CSV, comma is a delimiter between
In USD text format, what symbol is used as a delimiter for
colon. Yes,
asset
I would say colon. Yes, I would say
for
colon.
asset specialized string types? Asset specialized string types. What is asset specialized string types? Acid, specialized string types.
I would say colon.
What is it? Underscore maybe.
That could also be an answer. That could also be correct.
Oh, that symbol. Oh
Oh, then
shit, yes,
millimeter.
yes, yes.
Oh yes, true. Oh,
Whenever we reference it, it's at the rate, right?
yes, yes. That's a delimiter. Fuck.
Explain.
I should explain with fucking example.
Bro, I need to wake up very early tomorrow.
Why, brother?
Office.
I have to take a meeting.
And tomorrow I have to go, bro. Anyhow, my HR was saying, I haven't seen you in the office in
Mm,
a dog's age.
Dogs, bitch. Yeah, dog's age.
Uh, and she doesn't know that I'm only going once a week. Barely. Oh, my NVIDIA dividend is paid.
Yeah, PayPal also paid me fucking $1.4 for owning 10 fucking stocks.
Oh, no, my NVIDIA amount was big.
But Nvidia also traded at four times the value, bro. Nvidia traded $5 trillion, bitch.
Yeah, but mine was very big. Like, dividend was very big.
Oh my god, you got $100.
$0.01.
My god, how many shares do you own?
0.0445 shares. But on paper, I'm a billionaire actually. Because I own 100% of InstruX, which is valued at $100 billion.
Yes, brother.
It's just not official
On
yet.
paper, you are a multi-trillionaire, motherfucker. On paper, multi-trillionaire. You can just say this is a multi-trillion dollar industry. Not multi-billion, trillion.
Let's do the next one. Come on.
Yeah.
Which dictionary based metadata stores identification and management information like identifier and version on prems? Which dictionary based metadata?
Stores, identification, and management information like identifier and version groups. Fuck. Which dictionary based metadata? Yeah, metadata that is dictionary based. Variants? Variants.
Fuck no.
Variants.
No.
I think it's variant.
No. I
Yes.
don't think it's
I think it's
variants.
variants.
I'm pretty sure it's not variants. Which dictionary based metadata stores identification and management information like identifier and version on prems? Identifier and version on prems. Wait, what was this over here? Identifier and version. We did something, right? Version, metadata, identifier. I don't know. Assets, maybe. Asset
Oh,
info.
info. Metadata asset info, bridge.
And what the hell was this? Okay, what is this? In OpenUSD, an asset is named reusable resource such as texture, volume, or USD layer. An asset can be a single file or collection of files anchored by a main file that references the rest. To handle these resources efficiently, USD defines asset as a specialized string type. The specific designation exists so that the system can quickly and robustly identify any metadata and attribute that are meant to point to external assets. When you're looking at or writing USD in text format, you need a way to distinguish these assets from the. I don't even understand what the fuck that is, bro. What is the purpose of AR Resolver plugin point in USD?
I don't know, bro. Seriously, don't know about this. I know it.
It translates actual location of consumable resource.
Oh, wait, wait, go back. Wait, I still had actual path.
Location of consumable resource.
Oh, asset path. Oh, okay, okay. AR asset. We can create a mnemonic out of it, right? Asset resolver. Oh, AR asset resolver. Fuck. That's what it does. Translates path into actual location of consumable resource. Okay, okay. AR. Perfect.
Oh, we didn't get it actually. Oh no.
Yeah. Which wait, what the fuck?
Oh no.
What is the function of
Of
attribute?
an attribute block, unauthored, authored via USD attribute block.
Wait,
To
what?
define an opinion,
To prevent an attribute from having any values by blocking all opinion from weaker layers. Oh,
I didn't know this.
I also didn't know this. Glossary, bitch. Glossary.
I think we'll need to read through the glossary completely once.
Yes.
Should we do that today or tomorrow?
Oh, dude, glossary is real big. We can do it tomorrow. Yeah, you want to you have a meeting or something in the morning, right, or whatever.
I need to go to the office tomorrow.
Okay, dude, it's on you. It's gonna be really hectic. The judge blocks 100K H1B visa fee. Boom.
Bro, wasn't that already reverted? I don't know why people are freaking out about it.
The other thing was reverted. The tariffs were reverted, fucker. Not this visa fee. Tariffs are different, and those are they're different. So it is blocked. I don't know, dude. There are a lot of technicalities that we don't know about.
No, that was only for people who are coming from outside, right? The
Mm,
100K thing.
yeah, yeah, but so that's the thing.
Then why are people over here celebrating about it? It's bad for us only.
I know, bro. We are not celebrating. Other people are celebrating. It's not for us. I'm just saying. So they want you to come to America, get a fucking American degree, and then get an H1B visa. That's their goal.
Hmm.
Because people are trying to fake those things. You got your passport. What's the status? Did you take a look at your passport status?
Oh yeah, those people received my package and then they sent me what's missing. Like the photos were missing and Annexure E I didn't sign. Like I signed it digitally, so they didn't like they rejected that. So I sent that again. So now I'm waiting
Wait,
for
what
that.
the fuck? What the fuck? So how many? How much have you spent till now? Then 20, 20. Okay, 40, 40.
400.
No, no. Okay, so you did send your thing twice.
Yeah.
Dude, I had to do twice. I went. I had to do twice.
So what? Why are you so happy about it?
But the thing was, I wanted yours to be in one go. Like I
Hmm.
do not wanted to have
Bro, the thing is, I it would have been in one go. The only thing that happened wrong with me is the document that I signed digitally. I accidentally put it in my folder, like the folder which I wanted to print.
Mm.
I should not have done that. And when I saw that printout, told myself, should I send this or not? Should I take
I
the risk?
told
And
you to
for
ask
some reason,
AI.
I just
I
did.
told you to ask AI once. What did you ask AI on
Bro, and I asked Claude
that? Mm-hmm.
that my like photo on the government form is already printed,
Mm-hmm.
and one photo on the fucking affidavit thing is already stuck. So do I need to send any more photos? And it said, no, you don't need to send any more photos.
That's why I use Perplexity because it will give you sources or a Gemini.
I asked fucking Claude Code, bro.
And so Cloud Code is not for web search and all those things, brother. Cloud Code has general
It's a
information.
MCP search tool. You only told me,
Brother, you should have used it.
brother.
Well, you know AI, you are an AI fucking engineer. LLMs can hallucinate. Right? What is
Hmm.
hallucination?
And now I'm just waiting for them to receive. And the thing is, I sent it on Friday. So I think Saturday, Sunday, they might have been closed. And maybe today they might have received the thing. But I have not received the confirmation about that second packet yet
Mm-hmm.
getting delivered.
Mm. Yeah,
I have spent fucking
so,
$400 for my fucking passport.
mm.
All right, next one.
In
In
US,
USD terminology, what is change processing? The mechanism where the stage automatically updates its composed
I
view
think we just
in.
saw it. It was related
We
to
did,
something else. It was not change processing.
yeah.
Yeah, it was change processing or something else.
Yeah, it was change processing. Yeah, yeah. I already read it
Yeah,
over here.
yeah, yeah.
Automatically updates itself whenever any of its contributing layers are edited. How does class prim differ from def specifier regardless of stage traversal? Regarding stage traversal, yeah. So class prim is not picked up in the stage traversal, and def specifier is picked up.
Yes.
Class prims are abstract and skipped by default traversal, serve only as
Correct.
templates for inheritance.
Yes, that is
This is really helpful.
yes, that is really helpful.
How many more do you want to do? We have done a lot of them.
Okay, I think we can end the stream.
What's the time? I don't feel satisfied with today's stream for some
No,
reason.
because we were scattered out. We were first doing the quiz. We did 20 questions over there, and then we did got distracted watching and gambling. I did not well, like the last 9 seconds. So yeah, we are kind of distracted. That's why. And glossary, this thing is gonna be like really big. Yeah, now you are in. We have learned the basics. Okay, how OpenAI works.
Man, look at this.
Did
Roblox! Ah! Yeah, okay, we can. So for tomorrow, I'll plan out the stream more
all right, all right.
in
Yep.
advance so that we don't waste time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because we have completed the fucking thing, right? That's why we were like, we didn't have any goals today proper.
Yes.
We'll do glossary tomorrow. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let's plan it out. We'll complete the glossary tomorrow,
Mm-hmm.
the complete glossary,
Mm-hmm.
or whatever like we get to.
Mm-hmm.
Because most of the things we'll know, right?
Yes.
So I think that will be fine. And then what we'll do is we'll do glossary. We'll do 20 to 30 questions of your quiz again, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll do flashcards.
Then probably
What?
I'm gonna work on that quiz.
Yeah, and make it like something which where we can, okay, I mean, this is also fine.
Yeah.
It's not big deal. Let me close this and close this. Two quizzes. So glossary, and then USD survival guide. And then there is this one thing called OpenUSD in a weekend. Do you want to do that as well?
What? There is one.
This
Yeah,
OpenUSD in one weekend.
yeah, we can do this as well, bro. In one weekend, we can keep this for our weekend. What do you say about that? We will work on.
Bro, it's nothing, bro. Like this is just a name. It's nothing that visioning
So that's what I'm
OpenUSD with
saying, right? We need to do something on weekend, so we can keep this over the weekend. Like we can just
for
do.
weekend. I feel like we should focus. We'll plan about the weekend later. Today is Monday. Let's see what happens throughout the week, and then we can do. Because I'm planning to take the test beforehand. Like if I feel ready, I'll take the test
Mhm.
and I get it just done. Like get done with it. I
Mhm.
don't wanna fucking over prepare
Yes.
for. If I feel like I have prepared enough for this week, I'll in the weekend I'll just give the test.
Okay. Do it.
I don't wanna fucking keep waiting.
You could do it. Can you
Keep
do the
wait.
test? Check. Did you check?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, do it. But you were gonna say that you're saying that you're gonna give the test at the exam center or something.
But I don't know how to change the thing.
Um,
So schedule, start exam, reschedule. Yeah, this fucking system compatibility check. Test taker support. How can I?
click on start exam. Click on start exam. Or for
Why
wait.
the you try on your
No,
end.
I don't
You
know.
try on your end and tell me
You were
and tell
saying
me. Okay.
you were saying that you want to give it early. So just ask
Early. I don't want to give it right now,
early
motherfucker.
means that only.
Bitch ass. Schedule date and time. 6 p.m. Friday. Let me see what people are saying on Reddit. Bro, Reddit is useless. All I mean, personally, I would never do anything like that. For me, USD is another data structure with some more features and not anything that needs special education or certificate as long as you know general theory around 3D graphics. Ooh. Okay, we can end the stream.
Okay, perfect.
Adios to my one viewer. Later.
Litigators.
Go Knowles.
Go Knowles.
Go Nalle.